Welcome back to Ramya Jyotish. You know, everyone is excited about Venus-Jupiter conjunction in Gemini sign, which is happening on 26th of July and will be there till 21st of August. Both these planets, Shukra and Guru, are the unconditional benefic planets as per Vedic astrology. Whenever they meet together in any sign, it's considered to be very auspicious. And that's the reason I believe majority of the astrologers in social media and everywhere are telling that this is the time of opportunity, diplomacy and charmness. But wait, Venus transit to Gemini has its own history and has its own evidences as well. I'm gonna reveal that fact in this video, which might even shock you as well. As per India's Independence Day horoscope, whenever Venus transits to Gemini, Mithun Rashi, we can experience political instability, leadership changes, death of eminent personality, and we have even witnessed new state formation, terror attacks, water disputes, and many more in the past. Why so? As per Vedic astrology, we have a method by name Sarvashtak Varga, which is a point-based system which determines how much a planet can influence different Rashi or Bhavas. And based on this system, Mithun Rashi has the lowest points, that is 19 points. As per Sarvashtak Varga, one Rashi or Bhava can have up to 56 points and the minimum points to tell that the Bhava has good points is 28. But as per India's horoscope, Lagna has 44 points, which is amazing. But the second house, Mithun Rashi, has only 19 points, making it the weakest sign. That's the reason finances in India, economy was always weak unless and until we arrived at Chandra Dasha 10 years ago. So what does this signify of Venus moving to Gemini sign? Venus is the Lagna Lord for our country's Lagna, Vrishab Lagna. So when the Lagna Lord, the main planet for our country, moves to Gemini sign, it gets weak. And that's why we can experience some kind of political instability, political dramas, sudden changes in the political system of our country, many sudden resignations also, which we have already started seeing from Jagdeep Dhankar, Vice President, and many more such things. Even all of a sudden the government may collapse as well, or the death of eminent personalities, or the face of the country also may resign and some new leadership may emerge as well during this time. So a lot of drama is yet to happen during this time. But this time there is one more change or chance which we can expect. That is, Venus is in conjunction with Jupiter in Mithun Rashi. We have seen this exact combination only 2 times in the past, that is in May 1978 as well as in June 2013. If we go back to the historic pages of these 2 time periods and see what has actually happened and what's the common outcome of it, we can discover that political instability was there, leadership changes was there, but much more than that, there was one more factor. The ruling government had a lot of difficulties and the ruling government struggled, and it was the time of resurgence of the opposition. In 1978, when Mr. Morarji Desai's government was there, they were struggling a lot, high inflation, high debt, and the whole country was in a very kind of big economic collapse as well. And at the same time, Mrs. Indira Gandhi was rebuilding her image and her political party as well. When we come to June 2013, at that time, Congress had declined across the country even though they had gained Karnataka, and it was the time of emergence of Bharatiya Janata Party after their debacle of 2004 elections. So 2025 August, again we will have similar scenarios. May not be the exact one, but there can be even more than that as well. But the common outcome which I can draw from both these incidents and also as per the current planetary positions when Venus Jupiter conjunct in Mithun Rashi is, because we have to consider the other planetary positions, that is Mars will be in Kanya Rashi and Saturn will be in Meena Rashi, that is in Kendra to each other, and Saturn will be Vakri, which is very important for democracy. and Rahu will be in the 9th house. So we can expect some sudden changes in the Indian government, leadership changes, a face of the country will resign, citing health issues, age issues or whatever it is, and we'll see a new leader who could be surprising for a moment will emerge actually, and we may have to accept that person as well. So there is lot to happen during this time. So stay tuned, keep watching Ramya Jyotish for more such content. Thank you.